If you're still charging the same freelance rate you did a year ago, you're doing it wrong. And honestly, you might not survive. I started on Upwork charging just $20 an hour. Today I charge $100 an hour. Not because I got lucky, but because I had to, or I would have burned out, gone broke, or both. There is a brutal truth most freelancers ignore. Staying at the same rate means you're slowly working yourself into the ground. Let me explain. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. My goal is to help 1000 freelancers break free from survival mode and build real sustainable income. And that starts with charging what you're worth. Not someday, now. There is a reason raising your rate isn't just nice to have. It's survival. Here is the first problem. Inflation doesn't care about your Upwork profile. Your rent goes up, your groceries cost more, and that $20 an hour rate that felt fine last year, it's now worth less. Even if your skills have improved. If you're not raising your rate regularly, you're actually making less over time. Think about it. Second, the better you get at freelancing, the more invisible work you do. And it's work no one pays you for. You're not just coding or designing anymore. You're managing clients, writing proposals, reviewing contracts, and sitting through meetings. And guess what? None of that is billable unless your rate covers it. Third, low rates attract bad clients. Let's be real, the clients who want $10 logo or $100 websites, they're actually the ones who micromanage, ask for 5 revisions, and ghost you when it's time to pay. When I raised my rate to $60 an hour, the drama dropped overnight. I started working with brands that didn't just need help. They respect my time and expertise. That changes everything. But I get it. Raising your rate feels scary. What if I lose clients? What if no one hires me? What if I'm not good enough yet? Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2017, I landed my first Upwork job for $5. I rewrote a Drupal module, worked 2 hours, and made coffee money. But that $5 job got me my first review. From there, I worked with a marketing agency for $80, then $300, then $1,300, then $4,000, then $28,000. Every step up, I raised my rate, not because I was ready, but because I needed to grow. And every time I raised my rate, something weird happened. My income went up, but my stress went down. More money, better clients, fewer headaches. That's the magic of setting your price like a pro. Now here is what most freelancers get wrong. They wait for permission to raise their rate. Stop doing that. You don't need 10 years of experience or 20 testimonials. You need proof that you deliver value, and 1 or 2 great reviews is enough to start charging more. Ask yourself, what do clients really care about? They want you to solve their problem. They don't care if you're the cheapest. They care if you're the best for them. So, when should you raise your rate? Simple. Anytime your calendar is full and you're getting new inquiries. That's a signal. It means you're in demand. Also, raise your rate in stages. Go from 20 to 30, then 40, then 60, then $80. You don't have to jump to $100 overnight. Each raise brings better clients and build your confidence. And if you're scared to lose a client by raising your rate, ask yourself, do you want to be stuck with them forever, or do you want to grow? At some point, that $20 an hour client is costing you $100 an hour opportunity. That's the real cost of undercharging. Let me leave you with this. Freelancing is a business, and in business, you either grow or you die. Your rate isn't just a number, it's your fuel. And if you're still driving on empty, it's time to stop, refuel, and start charging what you're actually worth. If this helped you, hit subscribe. It tells me to keep making videos like this. And if you're wondering how to raise your rate without scaring off your clients, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. You won't want to miss it.